from BMAX models. It is the Toyota Corona ST191 for the 1994 JTCC series. This is going to be an all new tooling from BMAX. It also has been out for a few months now. I'm just now finally getting it here to the garage. It just got dropped off by the Sal donkey. This is going to be a 2-in-1 livery option kit, meaning you have the choices to do the team cars. You can do the number 36 Zent that is on the box art, or you can do the number 37 SO. Those are your choices. So there is also the detail up photo etch set. I did not purchase it at the time that I did with the kit, so I do not have it on hand to show you, but it is essentially the same as the other photo etch sets. So with all that out of the way, let's take a look at the Toyota Corona ST191. And getting started with the body. Alright, now we're going to get started looking at the parts trees. 4 main parts trees in the kit. 2 are white, 2 are black. And it started with the interior bucket, the floor, and the front and rear bumpers. And the next parts tree. This one's going to contain a little bit of everything. Start with the brakes. And the last of the big main parts tree. And now we will take a look at the wheels. And the chrome parts tree. And now the tires, which are going to be staggered out of the box for you. And some mesh grill screening, and the poly caps back there. And this will be the clear parts. You got your windshields, your windows, and your lights. A clear parts tree. And now it is time to take a look at the decal sheets, and you can see there are 2 of them. You can see you have the main one, which contains all of the reds, so you don't have to do any painting, or you don't have to paint the red. It's all done. With decals, you are just responsible for the white. There you see you have the 2 choices of Zent and SO. So there is that decal sheet. And then you have the rest, and then you have everything else. So you have the tire decals up there, up top, and all the other associate sponsors, numbers, wheel decals, windshield trim decals. Not a fan of the windshield trim decals just yet. So there you go. So that is there are the decal sheets. Look pretty good. And like all of the BMAX kits, you get the nice, wonderful color decal placement guide. So first, we'll take a look at the ST191 placement sheet. Nice and colorful. Number 37. And number 36. The Zent. Don't know which one I'm going to build. Probably should have got two to build both of them, but we'll start with one at a time. And so not sure which one I'll build just yet. So that is the placement guides. So there you have it, folks. That is the Toyota Corona ST191 for the 1994 JTCC series from BMAX models. I thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.